Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to hide WhatsApp online status. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Open the WhatsApp application. I'm in my messages section as you can see, but in order to hide our online status, we will go over to the settings page by clicking this little gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you get to this page, click on the privacy section right here. Now at the very top of the screen, we'll see the option called Last Seen and Online. So we'll open this option. We will see a couple of different sections. The first section is Who Can See My Last Seen, and we have 4 options we can set this to my contacts. And that way only the people who are in your contacts list are able to see your last seen. You can set only your contacts except a specific person. And then you can select a person from your contacts list which you want to hide your last seen from. But we want to set this to nobody if we want to hide our last seen from everyone. That way no one will be able to see our last seen on WhatsApp. When I'm online section, and if you don't want anyone to see when you are online in the app, you can set this to everyone or the same as last seen. Just keep in mind that if you hide your last seen and your online status, you won't be able to see when other people are online in the app. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.